And we're getting some breaking news. India has also suspended flights from UK amidst the concern over a new, more virulent COVID strain being found there, which has greater capabilities of spread, even if it's not more fatal than what the world is already dealing with. Abhishek Kapoor is also joining us. So Abhishek, after the Americas, the EU and several other countries, India has also taken a decision to ban the flights.
Well, yes, Shivani, and there is a reason why this has been done, because this mutated virus in the United Kingdom is potentially on a pathway for vaccine escape, which essentially means that it has taken the first couple of steps towards what is called immunity of the virus against the vaccine itself, which means the virus it changes and it dodges the full effect of the vaccine. And that is an area of concern, because of which almost 24 nations have pressed the panic button and stopped the flights to and from United Kingdom till the scientists really sort it out and understand the virulence and the efficacy of the vaccines on this particular strain of the virus. And that's why India also deciding, as a mark of precaution, I believe, to ban any flights coming in or out of the United Kingdom so far as India is concerned. Shivani.
Yes, absolutely. So the EU countries had already done so. The American countries had already done so, including Canada and others, South American countries as well. And what is, of course, also very, very serious, as the UK is also taking it, Abhishek, is that as of now, they're saying that it is more virulent or it is more contagious, even if it's not more fatal, or they don't have enough data to say whether it is more fatal or not. But the fact that a new version is creating such havoc in the UK itself and spreads as fast as the scientists there are saying, it's just going on to increase the anxiety over the world, whether we've really seen the back end of the COVID scare.
Well, you are right, Shivani. In fact, there are a couple of reasons why this scare has been caused. One is that this particular strain of the virus is rapidly replacing other versions prevalent. It's not that the virus is not mutated in India also, but as its own pockets. We are told at last count in India also there are about 72 odd strains of this virus which originated in Wuhan now. But this particular strain in the United Kingdom is replacing the other versions of the virus. It has mutations that affect part of the virus likely to be important, and some of these some of these mutations have already shown up in the labs, and the scientists are not very sure how immune this mutation is to the effects of the vaccines that have been developed. And that is why there is concern in the United Kingdom itself. They have raised the alarm and put in restrictions of level 4, I believe, and taking a cue from that, other nations have also tried to limit the damage. And the first, of course, option is to stop the flights coming in and out of the United Kingdom, and India also joining in that set of nations to stop people and thus transmission of this virus coming in from the United Kingdom, Shivani.
Yes. Thanks a lot, Abhishek, for joining us. And just because it is currently a very, very fluid situation, scientists still don't know everything that they need to know about this latest strain. What the Indian Civil Aviation Ministry has announced is that this is a temporary suspension starting midnight today and will run till the end of the year. That is 31st December. And of course, by then they will hope to understand a little bit more of how long this kind of a ban needs to continue. But certainly for the next 10 days, 10, 11 days, this ban will be there in place.